Guys, they're saying anywhere from 12 to 20 inches of snow. It's gonna be a great day tomorrow. It's the night before, but we're ready. Welcome to the Christian Hardscaper. We're not doing hardscape today, but we're plowing snow. It'll be a really fun storm, a lot of snow to push, and we're gonna have some really cool clips for you guys, so I hope you stick around, enjoy the video. There's gonna be a lot of parts to this day. We're planning on probably plowing for 24 to 32 hours straight, and we got anywhere from 35 to 40 driveways on our list to plow, so it's gonna be a long one, guys. We got a crew of 3, myself, my brother-in-law Benny, who you'll see, and my nephew Travis. I drive a 2017 Ford F-250, and I have a 8-foot straight blade Fisher Minute Mount 2 plow. That is all maintained, ready to go. I have videos on my channel on how you maintain it, how you hook it up, so check those videos out as well. The other things that I like to always bring with me when I'm plowing is an abundance of shovels. We got 3 guys, so I'm bringing 5 shovels just in case anything happens. I got 10 bags of salt, and we don't really salt that many walkways, so that's plenty. And what I have for weight is actually, this is a loose material bag. This can hold a ton of weight, I think a ton. So I have crushed stone aggregate in here on a pallet, and that gives me weight, and I have concrete blocks up here, and then the weight of the salt around it as well. Gives me a lot of down pressure on my rear axle, and gives me the ability to plow a little bit heavier snow and not get stuck as easy. I did just get new tires, nothing crazy. I think it's called Prinks or Prin, I don't know, but they're good tires. They got a nice tread. Say hi to everybody. Long hair Rottweiler named Gimli, after the dwarf in Lord of the Rings. Gim, you ready for the snow? He absolutely loves snow. He loves snow. He's gonna just run and jump off the deck into the 20 inches of snow and love every minute of it. Hi, Gim. It's crazy, man. I can't even videotape him because he just runs right at the camera. Trav! Yeah! What's up, man?
Not much.
You ready?
Yeah.
Holy moly, we got some snow coming.
Yeah.
Babby, we got some snow coming.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to shoveling 28 inches.
What would that end up being on you? Here, let me grab
Around
something
here.
for you.
I want to say around here.
Man, can you imagine? That's gonna be a lot of snow to shovel.
That's almost half of me.
You're gonna be almost gone, Babby. I was saying earlier, when Gim jumps off the deck, he's just gonna disappear.
Not if he's standing up, no.
Look at my mount thing over there. Oh man. All right, Trav's here, spending the night so we can go plowing. Stay tuned. Good morning. It is 4:57 a.m. Massachusetts, Eastern time. What do you think, Trav? We're ready.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Nice. We ain't got that much snow yet, though. I don't know how well you can see things right now. I guess my truck helps. But a couple inches of snow on the ground already. We're here to get Benny, Trav. What do you think? You think he's ready?
Nah, he's a little slow.
Benny boy! How long has it been since you've been on GoPro, dude?
Not long enough. Didn't get as much as my beauty sleep. Trev, you want the front?
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You gotta earn that right, bro.
Well,
Maybe by 12 o'clock he might pass you and I would put him in the front, but he's gotta earn the stripes. It's like the you remember what is it, the Fox and the Hound, the dog? He had to earn the right to sit up front of him with the older dog. Maybe I'm just an old guy, I don't know.
That is an old movie. I haven't seen it in a very long time.
It's still early, 5:40. Got the plow convoy coming by over here. Oh, they're taking a left, of course. Just about to videotape them. But it's too dark to videotape any of this stuff right now, so we will catch you guys when the sun comes up. Heck of a rig, man. He's just killing it.
Yeah. All the way to the pavement.
And he's over here shoveling. Trav's in the back shoveling, and I'm plowing. Let me throw you on my mirror. First pass is good. 3 inches down. About 16 more to go, I bet. At least 15 more. Keep moving. Alright guys, we are coming to the end of just this first part. This is really just an introduction to the day. The amount of snow that you're seeing us plow is like nothing compared to what this day actually brought. Depending on where you were, there was between 14 and 18 inches, in some areas 20, where we plowed. So we were out there early just trying to keep up with this snowfall. If you don't, you can really get behind and just make the day really hard. So this was just the beginning of our day, the intro. Let you guys see the crew. If you're subscribed and have seen our plow videos, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you'll be able to watch a lot of videos like this one. But here's a few clips from the next video, guys, part 2.
but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground,